Welcome to Broadview Lodge, UEA's 5-star rated guest accommodation situated right in the heart of campus. As you can see, we are near to all the amenities. The restaurants, the shops and the bars are just a short walk away. And in addition to this, there is the main car park, which guests can use free of charge. The rooms are mostly double or twin bedded, but there are also a couple of family rooms too. All bed linen and towels are provided and changed regularly. As you can see, the rooms are well serviced. Inside here is the mini fridge. You will find a complimentary bottle of water upon check-in. Just under the desk here is the tea and coffee making facilities, so you can come back to your room and relax with a nice cuppa. As you can see, it's a relaxing setting. Just inside the wardrobe here, you will find a blanket in case the night is cool, an umbrella in case of wet weather, and also a hairdryer. You also get your own ensuite. Complimentary toiletries are provided upon check-in for you to use in the roomy ensuite wet room. And in case you've forgotten your toothbrush or shaving kit, we've got free of charge supplies at our reception desk. Take a look around. So, if you're visiting campus and need an overnight stay, we're ideally placed and happy to help with directions to whichever faculty or department you're visiting.